Top 5 sauna kits in 2025 from budget to no compromise. If you've been shopping for a sauna in 2025, you have probably seen everything from $2,000 Amazon barrels to $40,000 luxury cabins. Most of them have one thing in common. They look like saunas, but they don't work like a real Finnish sauna. In this video, I'll walk you through my top 5 saunas for 2026, from budget but real all the way to no compromise. I'll show you exactly what makes them good, who they are for, and what corners you absolutely should not allow anyone to cut. By the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your space, your budget, and your standards, and which deals to avoid. Hi, my name is Veeti. I'm a Finnish sauna nerd and a sauna builder behind the Saunaheater. In the last few years, I've helped tens of thousands of people plan and build real Finnish-style saunas. Not infrared closets, not gym torture boxes, but proper stone heater, lowly first saunas. We run a store that sells multiple brands plus our own lowly line, so I see all the options, the good, the bad, and why does this even exist? Today's list is not sponsored by any manufacturer. Every kit I'll show you is one we are willing to put our name behind, and more importantly, the type of sauna I would sit in myself. Before we rank anything, here's the checklist I use with every single client. This is straight out of our what to look for conversations. So write these down with me. Firstly, number 1, we have, excuse my nice handwriting. So firstly, we have the bench layout and height. So you should have multiple levels of benches, not a single bench bolted to the wall. You should be able to sit with your feet off the floor, most optimally at or above the top of the stones inside your sauna heater. Second thing you want to look for is the ceiling height and lowly buffer. So from your top bench, if this is your top bench and this is your ceiling, you should have 44 inches between your top bench and your ceiling in the most optimal scenario. Usually we give a range which is from 41 to 48 inches. So you don't want too much space above your head, because if you have too much empty space above your head, so between your head and the ceiling, you'll have all the best, hottest and steamiest air hanging above your head. In the most optimal scenario, you also want a small buffer above the door glass, so the steam doesn't rush out every time someone walks in. Lastly, a big part of your sauna kit is the heater and the stones. What I mean by this is that you want a Finnish-style sauna heater, so a box with a lot of stones. You want to ensure that your heater is correctly sized, considering your room volume and the amount of glass and leaks and the insulation that your room has. Every kit I'll show you in this video passes these 3 tests, and most kits advertised online won't pass these simple tests. Alright, let's get rid of the whiteboard and start from the budget but very real and move towards no compromise sauna kit. Number 1. Best budget cabin, Sauna Life Cube CL4G. When I say budget, I don't mean the cheapest thing you can buy. I mean the cheapest way to get in the real Finnish style outdoor sauna cabin. The Cube CL4G is not a toy, but compared to other proper cabins, the price to quality ratio is very hard to beat. Why this sauna made itself onto the list? Firstly, the shape and volume. It's a cube, not a barrel. That gives you a flat ceiling but still rounded corners for optimal heat movement. Secondly, the bench system. Multi-level benches so your feet aren't freezing on the floor while your head cooks near the ceiling. The compact size fits most yards, balconies, terraces, and offers a comfortable sauna experience for 2 to 3 people, or 1 if you want to lay down. Lastly, the material and build quality. This thing has real walls and roof structure designed to live outside for years. It has thermal-spruce walls and a single skid to the roof, so no water leaks in. Benches of this sauna have been made from thermal aspen, which means that they feel soft under your skin and they don't get too hot even if you cook the sauna. So who is this cabin for? If you want a proper outdoor cabin that actually follows the basics of Finnish sauna design and you care about getting the most sauna per dollar, not the biggest glass wall per dollar, this sauna is for you. If you're okay with less fancy but this actually works, this is for you. Couple things you need to know up front. It's a budget in the world of real saunas, but not compared to those camping tents and plastic domes. You still need a solid base, electrical, and a properly sized heater, which means that there's costs involved in getting this sauna. Let's talk about the real costs. This sauna kit with shipping to you if you're in the US is about $6,000 total, then a proper Wi-Fi enabled sauna heater $2,000. So $8,000 total before the electrical, assembly, and maybe if you need to build a base, that adds a bit more costs. Number 2. Best barrel sauna, the SaunaLife EE6G. I've been pretty open that as a shape, the barrel saunas fight against good sauna physics. Because they have limited height, they usually have benches too low, and they have no real low-loop buffer. So why is there a barrel sauna on this list? Well, because some of you love the barrel aesthetic and are going to buy one no matter what I say. So I'd rather point you to the best executed version than pretend barrels don't exist. Also, barrels are not necessarily bad saunas, but that's a longer conversation for another day. Why the EE6G is my barrel sauna pick? Well, the EE6G has improved bench heights and depth. You can actually get your body into the hotter upper layer instead of sitting on the cold zone with your feet on the floor. Then, the quality of the materials used. So this has decent wall thickness, proper roof details, and optimal materials for sauna construction. It has thermos-proof structure and thermal aspen benches. So who is this sauna for? You're 100% committed to the barrel look and want the best performing version of that idea. You understand it's still a compromise compared to a well-built cube, but you value simplicity and charm. How much does this actually cost? So the sauna kit with shipping to you if you're in the US is about $7,000. Then if you want a luxury sauna heater package like Home Drop 9 kW, which I recommend for this sauna, that's about $3,000. So you're looking at $10,000 total plus the electrical plus building the base if needed. If I had to pick one barrel to sit in, this would be near the top of my list. Third on my list is the best plug-and-play outdoor sauna cabin, which is SaunaLife G6. Now for the I don't want to build it, I just want it done crowd. The SaunaLife G6 comes pre-assembled, so this is as close as you get to plug and play while still having a legit outdoor cabin. Why the G6 is my plug and play choice? Firstly, it has factory-built consistency. This sauna is fully insulated and built by professionals in a factory in Estonia. Estonia shares the same sauna values as Finland and is the neighboring country right north from Finland. When you buy something pre-built, you are not guessing about the insulation thickness or vapor barrier seams in your backyard. So what I'm saying is that when professionals build it, you save the hassle and can trust it's done right. Then the bench layout of this beast. G6 has multi-level benches with enough space to actually lie down, not just perch. Lastly, the ventilation details. So this has purposefully designed ventilation that has not been an afterthought. The airflow in this sauna works exceptionally well. Who is this sauna for? This sauna is for you if you have more money than interest in the DIY process and you want a cabin that looks like finished product the day it arrives. You are also okay with organizing a crane to move this into place. Let's talk about money. This sauna cabin with shipping to you if you are in the US is about $27,500. A luxury sauna heater package like the Saunum Air 10, which is what I would recommend for this caliber of sauna, is $5,500. So $33,000 total plus moving into the place with the crane plus electrical plus building the base if needed. If you want to buy once, cry once and have an outdoor sauna that just shows up done, the G6 is the category leader for me right now. Number 4. The best indoor sauna kit, Leil Como 4. Let's sneak in one indoor pick, because a lot of you are trying to decide, do I put my sauna in the basement, garage or bathroom instead of the yard? The Leil Como 4 is my favorite indoor kit right now if you want that clean modern look without sacrificing the basic Finnish principles. Why does it make it to my list? Firstly, it's specifically made for indoor use. That means that it's designed to be placed in a tiled, waterproof floor or wet room setup. It doesn't have a floor in and of itself. This sauna works with an existing house structure instead of fighting it. Let's talk about the layout and capacity. This fits 4 people if needed, but 2 people laying down at once. Usually indoor spaces have a limited height, so it's difficult to get your feet above the stones. This cabin still has multi-level benching and backrests that actually make sense. There is a couple things you still need to get right. So the room this sauna goes in still needs proper waterproofing, drainage and ventilation, just like any indoor sauna. No proper sauna kit can be placed to your bedroom or any regular room without it causing damage to your house long term. Remember that. How much does this sauna cost? The sauna kit with shipping, if you are in the US, is about $10,000. Then a luxury sauna heater package like the Home Drop 6 kW, which I recommend for this sauna, is about $3,000. So in total, you're looking about $13,000. If I'd be outfitting a serious indoor wellness space and wanted a kit instead of a custom, Como is where I'd start the conversation. Number 5 and the last sauna we will go over today is the no compromise outdoor sauna, which is Loulu Original. I created Loulu Original after years of consulting and clients constantly asking me, hey, I don't want to build this myself, can you supply me with a proper DIY sauna kit that follows all the Finnish design principles you talk about? So that's how we ended up here. We have 2 levels of benches fully above the sauna heater, which means that you will be surrounded by that hot cloud of steamy air in the area where you should be. You can have 45 people laying down in this cabin, so it has the serious space you want in your sauna. You don't want to feel claustrophobic, and in this big boy, you are definitely not feeling so. Maybe last thing worth mentioning is that we have mechanical ventilation. Both the intake vent and the exhaust vent are mechanical, which ensures that you will never run out of oxygen, the air will circulate in your cabin will dry effectively, and you will just enjoy your sauna session with no worries. This is the best thing I have ever built and I can fully recommend it. Loulu is for you if you care about the experience more than saving the last few $1,000s. Lastly, let's talk about price, because this is where people either lean in or tap out. This is not a cheap sauna kit. A Loulu Original kit with the cabin, the proper Finnish heater, controls, benches, ventilation and all the accessories you actually need to build this thing lands at around $35,000. That's only the hardware. On top of that, you still need a proper foundation or pad, a licensed electrician to run the power and do the hookup, and someone to do the assembly of the cabin if you're not going to do that yourself. So Loulu is not $35,000 turnkey and you are done. It's roughly $35,000 for the sauna system itself, and then you budget separately for the site work and installation in your area. If that sounds insane for a hot room, you are not the customer for this. If you were already thinking in that budget range and you want a sauna that you won't feel the need to upgrade in 3 years, this is for you. Let's do a quick recap. So the best budget-friendly outdoor cabin sauna was the SaunaLife Cube CL4G. It was the entry point in the real outdoor sauna physics. The best barrel sauna was the SaunaLife EE6G. If you're going for a barrel, this is the one I'd pick. The best pre-built outdoor sauna was the SaunaLife G6. This is pre-assembled, factory-built outdoor cabin. Then my pick for the indoor kit was the Leelkomo 4. It's modern, clean, indoor built without going fully custom. Last but not least, the complete no-compromise outdoor sauna was the Loulu Original, that is built like I would build a sauna for myself. So how do you pick the sauna yourself? Ask these 3 questions. Firstly, where do you actually have the space? Do you have the space in your yard or inside your house? Secondly, how much do you want to build versus just have it done? So DIY versus pre-assembled. And the third question is what's non-negotiable for you? Price, performance or aesthetics? Once you know the answer to these 3 questions, the category almost picks itself. If you want help matching one of these to your space, this is literally what we do every day. You can hit the link in the description to book a free consultation with one of our sauna experts. Bring your room or yard dimensions, a couple photos and your budget, and we'll tell you what we'd do if we were in your shoes. If this video helped you, hit the like so YouTube shows this to more people who are about to waste money on bad designs. And if you want to go deeper on benches, ventilations, floor or insulation, I will link the full playlist right here. Thanks for watching and enjoy your Loulu.